Hello guys, how to use ChatGPT to fast and increase your YouTube video creation and subscribers and views. Subscribe to the channel to reach every new video I upload and press like you don't lose anything. Let's go now. We will use these texts. So write a description, keywords separated by commas, hashtags, and 7 suggested search titles for YouTube video about. And here the title of the YouTube. And then we will create thumbnail using also this ChatGPT. So we'll ask ChatGPT then draw a thumbnail picture for YouTube about and include your channel name here. You can delete this hashtag and increase the color. If you are your theme is about yellow color or red color or green color or blue color or white color, you can write the specific color here as a theme for the drawing. Okay, so let's go and try this for this video. I think this video, let's go to our YouTube channel and select the video and work on it practically. So here I'll copy this title from here and go to ChatGPT and write the description, keywords separated by, okay, this one, and then go to my channel and work in this video. Okay, I need to increase views and subscribers from it. So this is the video.
I feel genuinely nervous to release this to the public.
Copy.
If you are a coach, a service provider, or
And
you
I
sell
press
any kind
edit.
of high-tech.
So I go to now and here the title. Then while it working, I will go to bring the other sentence, which is this one, to prepare the thumbnail. Okay, it's working now. This here, another one, and here this is the title of the error, the video. I can ask it to do all. So it's all in one sentence. Okay, so instead of two questions and for it. Okay, so it is just only one question. So let's try this. Instead of two questions and two answers, all in one question. So he will prepare the thumbnail picture, and write the description and hashtags and all things. All things will done in just one answer and one question. Okay, so he is working now. The picture will appear here. So I will stop the video. This all the description, keywords, and then titles, hashtags, all things is answered in just one time. Go to